GCSE English Past Paper and Interactive Revision at Oxford College of Education. The Past Paper Study Aid is a video-based course. In the course and the exercises provided, your tutor takes you through each question in a past paper, showing you step by step how to answer those questions. There is also extensive advice on how to maximise your score. This is an essential tool for anyone wishing to ensure top grades. The Interactive Revision Aid uses a variety of responsive activities to help you revise and test your knowledge and skills once you have completed the main course. We advise students to study a lesson in the main course alongside past paper and interactive revision, do the quiz at the end of the lesson, use the results from the quiz to identify your weaknesses, go back into the lesson and address those issues. Keep doing this over about 15 minutes until your score reaches 100%. This is known as mastery learning. Then use the same lesson name in the past paper course to practice your exam skills. All the information you need to complete your course will be included in your study guide. Once you have your course, you will be good to go. Everyone at Oxford College of Education wishes you the best of luck on your studying journey.